So we are at a house in Denver that we are going to do a massive remodel on. So I'll just kind of go through what we're gonna do in this house and let you know it's gonna be about $80,000. Oh, I'm sorry, I misspoke there. The work on this property is gonna be about 95,000, not 80, 95. So we're putting quite a bit in, but we're bringing the value from right around 280 up to closer to 450, right? So we're gonna have a huge jump in value. Even though we're spending quite a bit on the renovation, we're gonna get a lot more than that back in value on our back end sales price. So things we're gonna do, we're replacing this driveway. You can see it's all kind of cracked up. We're putting a brand new driveway in. The front porch is falling apart and sloping back towards the house. You can't have negative drainage next to the property, so we're replacing that. We're gonna put all new siding on everywhere. We're putting new windows. The roof, if you can see it, it's in pretty good shape, so we don't have to really touch the roof. Someone already replaced it, you know, not too long ago, so the roof is good to go. Inside, we're gonna do all LVP luxury vinyl plank flooring in the living room, halls, kitchen, dining area. We're gonna open this wall up. So when you walk in, you're gonna see a couple of pendant lights hanging down. There's gonna be a peninsula that comes out this way. There's gonna be bar stools up against it, and there'll be a walkway over here so you can walk past the end of the peninsula. So the cabinets will be more of a U shape. We have this wall, this wall, this wall out to the peninsula. You can walk into the living room over there. This whole wall gone. We're gonna relay out the bathroom, or not the bathroom, sorry, the kitchen. This layout sucks, so we're gonna move this sink over next to this window, the dishwasher next to it. That's where the stove's gonna go, where the sink currently is. And this is gonna be our refrigerator. So that'll be the layout there of the kitchen. This laundry room goes away. We are replacing it with a master bathroom because this neighborhood has, to get that top value, to get up in that 450 range, we need to have 2 bathrooms. So if this goes away, we'll have a shower here, a toilet here, that wall goes away. There's a closet on the other side of the wall. The closet and the laundry room combined are going to become the square footage we're using for this new bathroom. So looking at this door is gonna move over a little bit, and then this will be the vanity from here over just past this wall. It'll be a 36-inch wide vanity. This wall goes away, and we'll be able to see back into where the toilet and the shower is. So that will be our master bathroom that we're going to create, and we're gonna put a closet right here. All this wood paneling gets painted white. It'll be a nice master bedroom when it's all done. We're gonna add can lights there. We're gonna add can lights in the kitchen. This whole ceiling goes away. You can see where there's the drywall ceiling up above, right? So the drop ceiling goes, so we can get that high ceiling clearance. We will still have this that runs the length, right? That's gonna be a structural beam that holds the rafters that go from the front, the trusses that go from the front to the back. This is more than likely structural wall. I haven't been in the crawl space yet, or in the attic space yet to check it out, but 99% sure that's gonna be the case. These closet doors in these bedrooms, we're gonna widen them to a standard 4-foot width. They're currently probably about 8 inches too narrow. So we're gonna widen these out. We're gonna bring the header down. So it'll just be a standard width door there with 6-panel bypass doors. We're gonna replace all these flat panel doors with 6-panel doors, replace all the door hardware, new tub, tile surrounds, new vanity, new toilet, new mirror, new light fixtures, and just got this bathroom and start over. We are gonna put in a new furnace. We are going to put in air conditioning in this unit. So we need to add the condenser and fan coil and hot water heater. So this whole thing goes away. That's gonna be garbage. We are not going to spend any money on this yard because we won't get the money back, right? So everything I just listed off, that's going to cost in the neighborhood of $90,000, and that is going to increase the value of this home by, I don't know, 150,000-ish, somewhere in that range. So it provides an equity gain of about 60 grand in this particular case. So that's what we're up to in this property. Thanks for checking it out. As we progress in construction, I'll try to get a video when we're about halfway done and another one when we're completely done. So we'll see you in the next video.